Nice little step-in shower. Lady called and said her shower drain started slowing down dramatically. She told me this shower was installed in the fall of 18, so it is 7 years old and has not had a bit of trouble with it, but she said it just started slowing down, so let's just go on down there and take a look. The first thing I thought of was, well, the P-trap. So I went ahead and brought my little power auger. I got a drill if I need it, but I haven't looked at it yet. Okay, we'll pop that drain cover and take a look. I definitely see a lot of hair in it. Holy cow, I've never seen it all connected. Oh my. I've never seen this. It's not like I've cleaned thousands of shower drains, but I've cleaned dozens in my life. Maybe a couple of hundred. I'm going to stop the camera, set this down. I got to go get a bucket. Then we'll investigate a little further. In the bucket she goes. Let me move the bucket and we'll take a further look down that P-trap. But I don't think the P-trap's going to be a problem. I think we pulled out most of the problem. Guys, these drilled powered augers, even using them by hand, they can save you a call out. I'll put a link to the cheapest ones on Amazon. Just put a little downward pressure on it. Put some more cable down in there. Doesn't really have the kind of head to go around the P-trap and keep continuing, so we're probably right down at the bottom of it. Let's just see what we got. By turning it, it's got a little kind of a barbed hook on the end where they cut the spring. It'll pick up a lot of hair. Picked up a little but not much. I really think our drain issues is solved. Well, we'll clean it up a little. She's good to go. Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there and have a good one.